attempt at cinnamon challenge number. Yay! Yeah. This shit is evil. That was the first attempt. It's in the bottom of the bottle. Oh.
And on my laptop.
And a bit on my laptop. Open. Sesame.
Yes, ma'am.
Fuck. Just gotta remember, it's your room.
Yeah.
I don't want to do it again. First video fucked up.
Come on.
Hey.
That was very attractive. Oh my god. Swallow the rest. Lick the spoon. Do you like the water? Oh, your teeth! Oh no! Lovely Lauren. What it tastes like?
Cinnamon.
I thought it tasted like sand.
When you have that much in your mouth, it tastes like cinnamon. I know I like cinnamon. 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 Cinnamon.
This is the cinnamon challenge now.
Mmm.
Should I drink that?
Oh, yeah, do it.
No.
We swallowed up our mouth.
God, this is disgusting.
It isn't that bad.
I don't know. People just make a big fuss out of it.
Yeah. Oh, I still have my pants.
It's not the only thing on your pants.
Right, yeah. Hopefully the sound will work on this one and we'll have to do it a third time.
No, a 4. If you count in 1 second video.
Yeah, 1 second video. Next time she'll be doing it with me. So comment what you want us to do next. Peace out, motherfuckers!
With my hand.